Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. So here I am back again with another exciting stock tip. So this time the stock is Gammon Infra Projects, and if you have been in in the stock market for let's say 10 years or so, you must have tracked this stock at least some point of time or the other. So I'm going to go into details of how the stock has performed in the last few months and what are the prospects of the stock and should you buy it from this level. So I'll go in all details in next few minutes. Alright, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that every time we post a video you get a notification for that. So going into Gammon Infra, as you can see, the stock has reached a low of 45 paisa way back in June 1st 2020, and now it has reached almost level of 1 rupee 60 paisa. But the most interesting thing is, if you look at what happened in the stock in last maybe 3 weeks or so, it reached from 70 paisa to a level of 1.6 rupees. That's almost 2.5 times in last 3 weeks. So what is really happening in the stock? Why the stock has been going up unlike the market, which has been moved up by maybe 3 to 4%, but this stock has almost moved up 3 times. So what's happening in this stock? So let's go into the detail to find out what's really happening in the stock. But before you adjust, this is a view of 1 year, but this stock even reached a high of almost 34 rupees in 2008. So it's almost 1/30th of what it was in 2008. So that is one thing all of you should remember. So going into the market cap, the company has a market cap of 150 crores, a PE of 2.7, in the 12-month trailing PE is to 2.7, which is pretty good. The operating profit margin is 38.3, which is also pretty good. So which is really a turnaround story, which looks like. And another thing to note here is this company has been there for almost 100 years, because this company was found in year 1922. So it's almost a 100-year-old company. But this stock has really underperformed for last several years. So let's do a short analysis to find out what's really happening in the stock. So if I go to the strengths, there are few strengths of the stock, there is rising net cash flow, cash from the operating activity, the strong annual EPS growth. So EPS growth has been increasing steadily for last few quarters. It has this 52-week high. This new 52-week high is there. It's effectively utilizing its capital to generate profit, so improved ROCE for last 2 years. It's also increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. That's also improving. FII and FPI are also increasing the stake, and the stock has gained almost 20% in 1 month, as I said just a few minutes back. So all these are good things. Let's see what are the weaknesses are. The weakness is the high interest payment compared to the earnings. Even if the company has shown some decent earnings, but it has high interest payments because it has a huge debt. There's a decline in net profit quarter on quarter. There's a decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year on year. There's degrowth in the quarterly revenue and profit in the recent results year on year. There's declining profits every quarter for the first 3 quarters. So that is also another weakness. And company has a high promoter pledge. As I said, there is a huge debt and there is a huge promoter pledge. And also there is a fall in quarterly revenue or net profit year on year. So all these are negatives. So what is the opportunity we have? Let's see what are the opportunity we have. There's a positive breakout on the third resistance on this stock. That's the opportunity. It has the highest recovery from 52-week low. As I was showing you, from 45 paisa it is almost 1.7 rupees now. So almost 4 times compared to 52-week low. And stock has a low P, so which is almost around 2.5. That's also something a good opportunity. Let's now look at the shareholding pattern. So public hold almost 62% on the stock, FIIs hold 10%, and promoters hold around 20%, others 7.2%. So decent holding by public and promoters and FIIs. So all this makes sense to buy this stock at the current level. Right, so that's pretty much it for today, and you can definitely buy this stock for some short to medium term gain. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and I'll bring such videos once every day. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.